I really hope this audio is working because I've got my headphone in. Cheap Bluetooth earbud. Well, the mechanic's back there, that's where I was walking by. I saw a van in the back. Really trying to get a van, fix it up, put a bed in the back, some other necessary things to live with. And I want to go on an extended vacation. Somewhere south where it's nice and warm, even though I like the cold. I don't like being stuck in it, like I said. I don't want to go to the mountains. Beautiful here, but I want some bigger mountains. I just sold a fish tank and the lid, $25, straight to my van fund, along with all the rest of my cash I have laying around from tips while I was a waiter, briefly. Nice cold little bench here. I think I'm gonna pause this and check my audio, see if it's working. If not, don't think anyone will ever see this. This is my first time using a selfie stick. I like it. I like the angles we can get here. I love the snow when I don't have to shovel it. I like the cold when I'm not stuck in it. And now someone's coming and I'm embarrassed, so I'm closing this up. Audio seems to work great. I've been out in the cold too long, I'm sniffling now. So that's what this channel is going to be about. Me trying to get a van and go on a vacation. That will be when it gets exciting, so subscribe now. The hiccups in this trip, this adventure. My wife's pregnant, so unfortunately, it's probably not gonna happen before that, but I'm really hoping it will before she has the baby. She's due in June. And then her parents and her both obviously want us to be financially wise. And it's not going to be super cheap. And then my wife's afraid about the van not being reliable, so I gotta learn how to make it reliable. As long as I'm in it, it'll be reliable. But I have no mechanical knowledge as of now. Very little. So that's what I'm planning to do. Subscribe and come along this journey with me. Super awkward vlogging. Hopefully I get better at this. Yep. Probably gonna cut the video out here because I don't know what to say. This is how I talk, unfortunately. One more thing. Please subscribe if you have any kind of knowledge. Throw it in the comments. ask, I'm sure I'll give you my email. And you help me out with your knowledge. I mean, financially would be great, but that's not what I'm asking for.